So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can spin descriptions within a product. Now, the reason you would spin descriptions in the first place is if you have hundreds or thousands of different products and you just got it data shared from another party within Shopping Cart Elite, or you just copied the manufacturer's data, whatever. The bottom line is you don't have unique content. In order for you to rank in Google or Bing or Yahoo, you need to have unique content. And spinning descriptions is a great way for you to create unique content that nobody else has, as long as you wrote or had somebody write a article for you or piece of content and then you spun it so one article or one description can be different from another. You can basically use this to create unique content for your product pages. Now, I recommend that you still go back to every one of your products and actually do a whole nice sales copy of that product, but sometimes you just have so many products, you don't have time and you need to get results now, so this is a method that you can use to spin your descriptions. So to give you an idea of how the spinning of the description works, I'm going to just click on quick edit of a product and we'll take a look at it. So I'm inside product setup, I'm going to click on spin description, and you see that I can spin the title and spin the body. Whatever I enter in the title will replace the title that's located here. Whatever I put into the HTML editor here will replace this description here. You can't really spin a description for your whole store unless your whole store is relevant. So for example, if you have all wheels store, for all the wheels, you can have one description talking about wheels and then one description talking about tires. But if you have air intakes and exhausts and dash kits and stuff like that, you would really have to make a separate description for a whole category of products. You can't just write about an air intake and shove it into every single one of the products. Basically, you would use the text spinner or some other third-party spinner to create your content, and then you would just paste it into the HTML editor. Now, in the titles, I always recommend you start off the title with a brand and an anchor text tags that we've created, so you can read tutorial 2.9 to see what the tags do. But basically, I'm going to type in brand and anchor, and what's going to happen is, the brand is Mimo USA, so this will be pre-filled on the website with Mimo USA, and this is my anchor text, wood dash trim kit, so this would be replaced with wood dash trim kit. So it would say Mimo USA, wood dash trim kits. So the reason you would put brand and anchor separately, so you can copy and paste the title into every single one of the products, and instead of you copying the brand and the anchor text one after another, doing one product at a time, it would dynamically populate itself. So if all my products, let's say, consisted of dash kits, I would have some keywords here, dash kits, dash trim kits, and so on. Basically, if I had my anchor text as a carbon fiber kit, and solid color kit, and camo kit, and so on, my brand would be Mimo USA, the anchor would be camo, wood, carbon, or whatever, and then these would be my keywords that drive traffic to me. So that's how you can generate a title for your spun descriptions. Now for the HTML editor, you simply copy and paste it. You can use the same tags as brand and anchor, and there's a few other ones that you can use in the HTML editor itself. Once you save it, make sure you read it, make sure you go out on the website, make sure it makes sense. That's basically how you would do one of the spun descriptions. Now if you want to do them in bulk, you simply check mark all of your products, right click, click bulk quick edit. You would go to the spin description the same way, add the title using the tags, add the HTML editor content, save, and what's going to happen is all of these will get the spun description updated at the same time. If you want to select all your products, you can go to advanced product search, just search all without putting anything in the description. All your products in your store will show up, and then you just select all, click select here, and they will all be shown here, and you do the same thing with right click and bulk quick edit, and your spun description will be inserted into all of your products.